In the concrete jungles of the modern world, something unexpected is growing. Rooftops, windowsills, and alleyways are turning green. This is not just gardening, it's a movement. Welcome to the green revolution taking root in our cities, urban farming. With over 56% of the world's population now living in urban areas, food demand is skyrocketing. At the same time, climate change, inflation, and supply chain issues are exposing weaknesses in our food systems. Enter urban farming, a solution that's hyper-local, sustainable, and surprisingly high-tech. Urban farming comes in many forms. Hydroponics and aquaponics allow crops to grow with little or no soil. Vertical farms use LED lighting and nutrient solutions to produce fresh food year-round, even underground, and in neighborhoods lacking fresh produce. Community gardens empower residents to grow their own, transforming food deserts into food oases. Urban farming isn't just about food. It's about health, education, and community. These green spaces reduce urban heat, improve air quality, and provide hands-on learning opportunities. For many, it also provides therapeutic relief, a quiet patch of green in an otherwise chaotic world. People may ask, is there no challenges and innovation? Of course, urban farming isn't without its challenges. Limited space, regulations, and startup costs. But innovators are responding with smart farming tech, modular greenhouses, and AI-powered monitoring systems. And some cities are stepping in with grants, rooftop zoning changes, and support for microfarms. Urban farming isn't just a trend, it's a transformation. A sign that even in the heart of a city, nature still finds a way. The future of food might not be miles away, but just a few feet above us. This is Pulse Frame. Subscribe for more powerful stories shaping our world.